para sa Pisces. Okay. If you have Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements in Pisces, ang video na to ay might be maaring para sa iyo. So let's check ano ang gabay at biyaya or blessings for you, Pisces, para sa 1st to 2nd week of July. And before we proceed, I would like to say thank you so much sa lahat ng new followers, subscribers, and my private reading sa akin. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see. We have the Empress. Eight of Cups. The Strength. Queen of Swords. The Sun card. Oh, this is a good news card. 5 of Pentacles. The World. The Wheel of Fortune. And the Tower. This is for the sign of Pisces. Excuse me. So let's do a reading for Pisces. Yeah. Ang nakikita ko dito, for some of you here, maaring magkaroon ng pag-focus sa sarili. Pwede ring, if you are expecting a child, there is also an energy for that. Pero mas malakas dito yung you are more focused on yourself, or ikaw yung tipo ng taong gustong magsimula ng brand, ng beauty brand. Parang like something into selling, may papasukin kang bagong business. Meron din ako nakikita dito, for some of you here, there is an health issue, although hindi ako nagre-reading ng related sa health. Meron ako nakikitang ganon. And for some of you, there is also an opportunity to travel, to expect abundance when it comes to visiting new places, meeting new people sa iba't ibang place. Be careful lang din when it comes to travel, especially this retrograde. Kung kailan mo to napanood, medyo magkakaroon ka ng issues dyan. That's a minor issue lang naman. And meron din ako nakikitang energy of mabilisang changes here. This is Tower card. Ang energy ng Tower card, mabilisang pagbabago. Hindi siya magandang pagbabago, pero it will happen ng pinakamabilis. And this change is very necessary, especially if it's related sa pagkakaroon mo ng lakas ng loob to alam mo yung piliin mo kung ano yung makakapagpabigay sa'yo ng emotional satisfaction. There's also an energy here of you want to be, alam mo yung mas gusto mong maging clear pa, mas magkaroon ng enlightenment, especially when it comes to your finances. So mas magiging open ka, mas magiging logical ka, and mas magiging bold yung actions mo when it comes to this aspect, especially sa career mo. Pero ayun nga, be careful lang when it comes to so much pride, so much joy, na alam mo yung nasa planning stage pa lang tayo, pero masyado na natin kinakount yung eggs natin. But yeah, be careful on that. Huwag mo munang masyadong iyabang or ipagsabi yung mga nangyayaring plano or yung mga plano mo sa buhay, especially if there is no concrete actions pa namang nagaganap dito. Just keep it to yourself. Pray, ipag-pray mo lang yan at gawin mo lang yung mga dapat mong gawin. Again, there is also an energy here of maternal energy. Maring magkaroon kayo ng discussion or arguments ng parents mo, ng mother mo, or kung sino mang feminine energy to, na may maternal energy tungkol sa plano mong pagbabago sa iyong buhay, relocations, or even sa iyong health. Mas magiging focus ka dito when it comes to creation, creating your own plans, creating your own life, and there is a approval or this, alam mo yung hindi sila masyadong approve doon sa plano mo, but still you will take accountability towards this one, and you might feel a little bit unsure, pero gagawin mo pa rin naman. So good luck, Pisces, and this is your reading for today. See you.